everyone and welcome to Housey. In today's video, we are going to be doing the project overview of VJ Palladio Kothurud Central, which is located at Pratik Nagar, Kothurud, Pune, and developed by Vilas Javadekar Developers. As you can see, I am at the actual location of the project. Behind me is the sales office of the project, and beside the sales office is the land parcel of the project. In this video, we will be discussing the below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the developers, giving you all a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview, VJ Palladio Kothurud Central will be constructed on 3.5 acres of land parcel, which will be consisting of 4 towers. Each tower will be having 3 basement plus ground plus 28 floors, which will be consisting of 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of the project. This project is located near Paud Road, Pratik Nagar, Gujarat Colony, Kothurud, Pune. As you can see, in front of this is Paud Road, जिसके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे वो आपको कनेक्ट करता है मुंबई सतारा हाईवे से, एंड राइट हैंड साइड पे आपको कनेक्ट करता है शिवाजी नगर से. जिसमें आपको कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाती है वनाज मेट्रो स्टेशन विच इज़ विद इन 550 मीटर्स, मुंबई सतारा हाईवे विच इज़ विद इन 3 किलोमीटर्स एंड डी मार्ट विच इज़ विद इन 3.4 किलोमीटर्स. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के अमेनिटीज़ के बारे में. This project has over 30 plus luxurious amenities such as clubhouse, jacuzzi, swimming pool, multi-purpose hall, projector room, fitness studio and many more. Now coming to the carpet area of the project, VJ Palladio Kothurud Central will be having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, in which 2 BHK starting from 775 to 900 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1050 to 1257 square feet, and 4 BHK will be having 1600 square feet carpet area. Now let us discuss the booking process. The project booking window is now open. The client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the project's 3D model. We'll share with you the pricing and payment schemes and will also show you the actual location of the project. And then, if the client likes the project, they can proceed with the booking process. So everyone, this was the project overview of VJ Palladio Kothurud Central, which is located at Pratik Nagar, Kothurud, Pune, and developed by Vilas Javadekar Developers. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com and register now for free and visit the site.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.